See the juvenile mockingbird out back? He's very young. Beak's already open, he's so hot. It's so hot here today. It's not even noon. I'm hoping Mama flies in and feeds him. Been watching him through my binoculars. He's so cute. Look at him. Learning life. How to find bugs. I love when they open their wings like that. Look at his beak. He's looking for his mama. Where are you? Patiently waiting. What's that little flower petal? Everything's so curious to the new ones, the babies. Just like us as humans. Try to stay curious all your life. That's my motto. Get up there, little one, on the rock. I love how they do that with their wings. Mockingbirds, they run and then they open up their wings. Okay. Mama just flew by. That's garden phlox. So beautiful. Okay, that's about it for little juvie mockingbird. On August 1st, one of the hottest days yet, humid-wise, humidity, awful. Peace.